Guys, Mr. Tavio here, talking to you about diet and exercise. So, the what, diet and exercise, the how, our agenda, what is a diet, what is exercise, pros and cons of each, health benefits, and we'll have an exercise quiz at the end. And then the why. It's really important for us, especially right now, right? Part of our wellness wheel and our mental wellness is actually gut health. So, how healthy your stomach is doing and the enzymes and different bacteria and things that are being produced there is really beneficial for you. So, your bellwork word is diet, the noun, right? The kinds of food a person or an animal habitually eats. And so in our 5 self, I believe this is part of self-esteem. Getting our diet and exercise right is definitely going to help us feel better about ourselves. On the wellness wheel, again, it fits into this wellness wheel, right? If we're physically doing well, it'll help us in all of our other facets of life. It's a big part of the wheel, right? Just that physical, feeling good physically. TCU baseball strength coach Zach Nishant, who's also an author, said the human body is a complex system. 1 + 1 does not equal 2. If it did, injuries could be 100% prevented. Nobody has or will crack that code. Stress, sleep, nutrition, training, etc., all factor into the great depths of the human organism. And so, as you can see here, what we eat, nutrition, training, or exercise, diet and exercise are a huge part of this, as well as things like sleep and stress that we'll talk about as well. All right, so what is a diet? The standard American diet is heavy in saturated fats, partially hydrogenated oils, refined carbs, and highly processed foods. American is your answer. You can see the food plate here. Goodbye to the pyramid. We're now using a thing that looks like a plate. Breaking down the plate, half of our plate should be fruits and vegetables. Your next answer, of all colors and types, right? So you have fruits, vegetables, and a quarter grains, and a quarter proteins. All right, so what are superfoods? One of these will do for an example: broccoli, spinach, pumpkin, garlic, almonds, blueberries, oatmeal, and salmon. Again, you can see the plate in superfoods and where they fit in. What is exercise, right? So exercise is activity requiring physical effort, carried out to sustain or improve health and fitness, and oxygen makes you happy is your next answer, right? We need oxygen. It's great for us. You can see some benefits of exercise there. Here, sports are played in different energy systems, and then 5 seconds is the average American football play. That's important to remember as well, and you can see what different systems of sports are played in. We're going to do this reflexive performance reset practice as well. Why yoga? You can go to YouTube and watch Yoga with Adrian. It's really good for you. We've talked about a little bit before during mindfulness, all the benefits. It's going to improve our life expectancy. Here, the law of diminishing return. More does not always equal better. Keep that in mind when it comes to diet and exercise. Here we can see the culture of alienation, things that sometimes go wrong with sports, right? And then you can see, most people are like, well, I'm going to go play in the NBA or I'm going to get a college scholarship. No, you probably aren't. It's probably better to focus on academics too. Yoga benefits with Dr. Kelsey, and then pair card questions. Also going to take the exercise quiz, which will be one of the answers on your Google form. And we're going to scroll down and kind of look at, this is a sample at-home workout and a sample like at-home sprint workout. And then we're going to update our chart. All right, hope you guys have a great day.